Good morning. I am starting December powerful as I usually do with my VMG whole food nutrient complex. This has my vitamins, my minerals, my greens, plus fiber, and also essential oils to make it more powerful. So I just do it very simple. Some people use a stir, but I found that just a simple bottle with a shaker ball in it works really fast and easy for me. Just pour that in. Simple. Then I also include my collagen, my MetaPower Advantage with that. To give me all of the collagen, to give me my NADH, anything I can do to keep myself feeling and looking younger, I do. So I just mix those two together, shake it up. Little ball gives it that little shake. And then I want you to see what I take with that as my foundational wellness bundle is my probiotics, PB Restore. Just need one of those. And then to give me my healthy heart, I take my EO Omegas. Now, you can take all three of these at once. 3 is the daily dose. You can see right there. I don't have any problem swallowing pills. If you do, you can pop these and chew them. They are mixed with wild orange oil, which actually gives them more benefit. And they taste like wild orange. They do not taste fishy. If you are used to an omega with fish oil in it that smells fishy, you've got one that is rancid and you want to get rid of that. Now, the next thing I do is, of course, frankincense. Frankincense is good for so many things, and it is something that we all would benefit having every day. So that's the next thing. It has the oil and the boswellic acid in it as well. The other thing I use is adaptive, which helps with managing my stress with the systemic stress. Then I use my On Guard soft gels to support my immune system. One of those in the morning, one of those at night. Now the VMG, you only need this once a day. Then I take my DDR Prime. It has oils in it that are for cellular support. It helps with making sure that your cells are functioning at their highest possible level. And if a cell needs to die off, it can help it to go ahead and die off. Now, this is MetaPower Mito 2 Max. This is to support your mitochondria. And if you don't know about mitochondria, you want to check that out because that's what we need to have energy. And then I top it off with my Terrazyme, which helps with my digestion. And I use 3 of those because I'm old and I need as much digestive enzymes as I can get because they start dropping off whenever you're at age 35. Now, so I take all of these pills with this. I just chug it right down, no problem. Now, the next piece of my daily routine is my MetaPower Recharge. This is to help me have more hydration, and also that helps you with more energy. So I just mix that right up in a cup like this and drink on that all through the day. You can use this once a day or you can use it more often, whichever works best for you. So that's my morning routine, and I hope that helps you to get started with your products and to stay consistent with it. That's the most important thing. So go get your stuff and open it up and get started.